What's up guys, this is Flo and today I'm gonna introduce you to the SF10 incline treadmill from UMAY. Let's go. First thing, let's talk about the delivery. You will receive it almost fully assembled. You will only have to put 4 screws. It's gonna take just like 10 seconds. Take it out of the box and you are ready to go. Design wise, it is super simple and minimalist in all black. It's really simple and will suit most interior easily, and has an open design at the bottom, so it's important to keep this in mind. Once open, it is 115 centimeters long, 59 centimeters wide and 100 centimeters high, which is equal to 45.2 inches long, 23.2 inches wide and 39.3 inches high. So as you can tell, it is a pretty compact device. Once folded, it is only 12 centimeters thick, which is equal to 4.7 inches thick, which make it super compact. You will be able to store it very easily in a corner, against a wall, behind your sofa or your bed. It weighs 20 kg, which is equal to 44 pounds, which make it slightly heavy for something this size, but it's also a proof and a reason why it is super stable. At this price range, I've been super impressed with how stable the machine is. I've tried many other entry-level treadmill like this, and to be fair, I was not expecting something this strong and solid. But if you're not the fittest person in the room and cannot just pick it up and move it around, they made 2 small wheels at the front to move it around and set it up easily. To be fair, this is not the best wheel. They are quite small, but they're doing the job pretty well. You will have adjustable feet at the back to make sure it stays stable and strong even on uneven floor. It has a maximum weight capacity of 136 kg, which is equal to 300 pounds, which is pretty good for something this size and will suit most users. The running surface is 94 centimeters long and 38.5 centimeters wide, which is equal to 37 inches long and 15.1 inches wide. So this is not the biggest running area. If you are on the taller side, you might feel limited, especially at higher pace. If you are like me and you are around 5.9 or 175 centimeters tall, you will be good even at higher speed. But if you are really tall, it's not gonna be suitable for you. The walking surface is non-slip and has shock absorption. To be fair, it was pretty comfortable even for a longer run, especially 10,000 steps. So good for them, it's pretty good. Now let's talk about its motor. It has a 3 horsepower brushless motors, which make it powerful enough and quiet. So you will be able to use it easily regardless of the time of the day without disturbing anyone, especially your neighbors. In terms of speed, it goes from 1 all the way to 12 km per hour, which is equal to 7.4 miles per hour. So it's pretty good to go from a light walk, especially if you want to do your 10,000 steps, watching your favorite show, or even working on an elevated desk, all the way to intermediate fast speed at 12 km per hour or 7.4 miles per hour. So it's pretty good to push yourself. And it also has 0.5 km per hour increasement. One other great point at this price range is the incline mode. It's manual, yes, but it will allow you to push harder, train your legs and your glutes more efficiently and have more fun. The incline mode is manual, which means you will have to stop the device, step out of the device and adjust it before or after your workout. And you will have the option to go from 10% or 15% depending on the option you choose. The LED display is another great point. In this price range, you have a touchscreen that is super minimalist, super useful, easy to use, and will display your speed, distance, step and calorie. And you will also have 2 pre-recorded buttons to go from 3 to 6 miles per hour in one touch. In terms of safety, it comes with a dedicated handrail, as you can see, and it's also non-slip. It is pretty stable, especially if you compare this with other entry-level models that you can find on the market. It is strong, stable. So if you are a beginner, if you are overweight, or if you are just scared and just getting started, this will increase the safety a lot. It also comes with a security key attachment that will stop the device if you fall. So you can just put it on your short, on your t-shirt, and if something happens, the device will stop. It also has 2 small bottle holders that have funny shapes. So if you have a large shaker or something like that, this won't be ideal, but a small bottle of water will definitely fit. Now let's talk about its limitation. This is not a perfect treadmill, of course, and we could start first of all with the incline mode. It is manual and not motorized. motorized, which means you will not be able to adjust it during your workout. You will have to stop, step out of the device and change it, which is not ideal, but at the same time, for this price range, having the incline mode is definitely a great option. Then I will say that the walking belt is slightly not big enough. Unfortunately, if you are on a taller size like 6'5" or something like this, it's gonna be challenging for you to stay comfortable on this walking belt at higher speed. So I would say that few extra centimeters would have been great, but again, at this price range, regarding the quality you get and the fact that it's super compact and easy to store, this is adjustable. It's not designed for advanced athletes. I would say that it's more something great for beginners and intermediate who want to increase their physical activity, do more steps, push themselves, and have an easy to store option at a good price. And to finish, I would say that this open design underneath is not ideal if you have a long hair carpet, but you will have to use a protective mat under to counter this. And also, I've tried to use it under an elevated desk because you cannot remove the arm rail, but it was doable. If your elevated desk can go higher than 1 meter tall, you will be able to use it. Unfortunately, this model doesn't have a remote control, so it's gonna be a bit tricky to change the speed, but if you go at a lower pace, you will be, as shown in the video, able to use it under an elevated desk, which is still a good option if you work from home. So who is it for? Well, as I said, if you are a beginner or intermediate level, somebody that is looking for a compact and affordable option to do more calories, improve your physical and mental health at the best possible price, the SF10 is definitely a great option. You will be able to store it easily, you will be able to push yourself, watch your favorite movie, work at home without wasting any space, and at this price range, the touchscreen, the incline mode is definitely a good option. And the good news is you will also get a great discount. You will find the code and the link in the description below. If you have any question about this model or any other model from the brand, feel free to leave a comment and I will be more than happy to reply. I wish you a good workout and I see you very soon.